Hey, what's up, guys? It's POMK Media Empire. Glad to announce that I'm back. As you can see, the time on my screen it's 4:28 a.m. Right? I've been up before the chickens in my village were up. Um, so basically, this is my chart for Boom 1000 H1, right? What I'm looking at, Boom is actually about to buy, but what I expect here is for my market, right, to come back, like to bounce back from here and give me this final touch right here, right? Because most of the time we get like two touches and then that's when it has to bounce up, right? It might as well reverse right here on 61.8 or probably here or around the 50 zone, right? So if it doesn't reverse on these zones, right, you have to look at this right here. You see that that's still the golden zone, right, between the 50 zone, right? So from there it might as well come back and go down, right? So what I'm actually saying is that you need to expect a buy, right? You need to expect a buy from here. It might as well come back, then play our retracement, retrace all the way and come back and reverse on reversal 2, right? As you can see right here, this reversal 2 right there, right? Might as well come here, reverse here, or at this point right here, let me just zoom in. At this point right here, might as well get this you get ticks, right, to the downside. You get ticks to the downside. You get ticks from the downside, right? And then from here it might as well just build one of those candles right here, right, with wicks, right, with long wicks, right? Then it start shooting up, right, long wicks. From there, brothers and sisters, might as well what we might happen, what we might see is our market to go, touch, reverse a bit, go, touch 50, reverse a bit, go, touch 60, probably reverse a bit, or probably reverse, come back and hit this line again right here, right, and hit our 23 right here. As it hits our 23, it builds a strong support, right, with our 100 right here, a strong support with our 100 over there, right, and then come all the way back up and hit our 789, right? These are our 789 right here. So it's also a support, right, from here, right? As I've been saying, man, I've been up before the chicken in my hood got up, right? So as you know, hustlers don't sleep, forex traders do not sleep, guys, we do not sleep. So we've been here. As you move from here, there's you get your chance, right, to go and use your whatever you use, right, like the what I actually use is the Peligates on the smaller time frames, right? If I know that on a certain zone it has to spike, right? Let me just say on this side I go and open my 5 minutes, right? And on these 5 minutes, let me just go. You can place Fibonacci on everything, right? So let me just go and put my Fibonacci right there. Okay. This year, guys, we wake up early, we hustle, right? And then we put bread on the table, man. Alright, as you can see, here's our golden zone right here. Our 50 and our 61.8, right? So around here, we're going to expect a spike, right? Then on top, let us go on boom 1000 and see if we get a signal for it. As you can see, this is it right here. This is it right here. This is it right here. And now you look at the time, right? 4:34, 4:35. We expect a spike. Okay, so it's either 4:35, right? 4:36. That's your stop loss, right? And on 4:40, then we expect that spike right there. Okay, so I've been up before the chickens in my hood, and before they got up, right? Yeah, I've been up while those brothers were sleeping, man. I've been up while the chicken in my hood was sleeping. I've been up way before the chicken in my hood were up. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, it doesn't spike at 35, right? Then you just let it, you just relax on it. You just relax. So what you're supposed to do is look at their indicators, right? We all use different indicators, right? But before you take an entry, take a look at your time, right? Because time is a very crucial aspect when it comes to boom and crash, right? You take a look at your time right there. So for me, when I came up with the time trading, right? When I came up with time trading, I told brothers, everything, a lot of strategies that my brothers come up with, right? They're perfect and all that, right? The problem is that when you go in and you hold forever. So we're trying to kill that. You understand? We're trying to kill that. What we want is to know as to whether when to go in. Is this the right time to go in or what? Right? As you can see, if you went in at 34, right, then it hits 35, right? 435, right? And you don't get a spike, then you have to expect a spike or at somewhere around 436, right? 436, it doesn't spike, right? Then that's your stop loss. Right now it was supposed to hit your stop loss, right? And from there you were supposed to go and you were supposed to exit. Yes, there. As you exit, your re-entry was supposed to be 439, right? At exactly 439, that's your re-entry. All right. Sometimes it will spike at 439, right? But most of the time, it actually spikes at 440, right? Because here's the concept of time trading, right? Time trading, brothers. What actually happens in time trading, right? So let me show you. Let me show you what actually happens in time trading. Boom and crash. They actually, most of the time, they spike in these 5-10 minutes. All right, 5 minutes, right? Let me just write it here. 5 minutes. Sorry about that. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, sorry about that, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. That's the old clock, right? As you can see, fam, I need you to pay attention to this. The concept of time trading, right? 5, 10. As you can see, if you look at the top, it says 49, right? That's where you take your buy. Okay, as you can see, you did you see that? If you've been watching this from earlier on, what I said is that this is actually the golden zone, right? This is 50 and this is 61.8, right? And then we know that somewhere inside this zone is going to spike, but it's going to spike at 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, right? 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and o'clock. It actually spikes in 5 minutes, 5 minutes, right? So it could be any strategy, guys, right? If you feel comfortable with using Peligase, I know the brothers who I trusted with Peligase, they actually leaked Peligase, right? So I just want to warn you, there are also fake groups, fake MK groups, right? So do not join those scammers, right? Our groups is strictly MK Trading Empire. Okay, so it's either MK Trading Empire or nothing, right? And also personally, I do not have a group which is called Boy BOMK or whatsoever. Those other groups that are fake. I do not have Boy BOMK groups, right? So if you do not get the links directly from this YouTube channel, guys, please do not fall for it. And again, I repeat, time trading, guys, is a very, very, very beautiful trading strategy, right? As long as you just put your Fibonacci right there. Okay, just put your Fibonacci right there. Okay, you just put your Fibonacci right there, and then you know that, okay, this is my 50, this is my 60, and it has to spike between those 50 and 60. Now from there you have to apply your time trading, right? So do exactly as I showed you. And if you find challenges, do not hesitate to text me, guys. But as long as you know exactly what is happening on the higher time frame, then I'm with you. All right, this boy BMK, I've been up before the chickens got up. I've been up way before the chickens I've been up when the chickens were sleeping, guys. Thank you.